Welcome to Instagram. If you're new and want to learn how to navigate this popular social media app, you're in the right place. In this beginner's guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started on Instagram. First, you have to create your account. If you don't know how to create an Instagram account, check out our guide on how to create Instagram account. The link is in the description below. Once you have Instagram set up and your account created, you'll land on the main homepage. Here you'll find Instagram stories at the top, which are temporary posts from the people you follow. Those posts disappear after 24 hours, making them perfect for sharing moments in real time. Tap on any profile icon to view their story. As you scroll through the main feed, you'll see a mix of posts from the accounts you follow, sponsored content, and suggested posts. If you prefer to see posts only from those you follow, tap on Instagram at the top and switch to the following feed. You can also create a favorites list to see posts only from selected friends. Interacting with posts is easy. You can like a post by tapping the heart icon, comment by tapping the message bubble, or share the post using the paper airplane button. Sharing options include sending it via direct message, adding it to your story, copying the link, or sharing it on other social media platforms. Here you can share this reel on your account story. And you can also share it on other social media apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. To explore more content, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom to access the Explore page. Here Instagram curates posts and reels based on your interests. Use the search bar at the top to look for specific users or topics. When you find someone interesting, tap follow to see their posts in your feed. When you're ready to share your own content, tap the plus sign at the bottom. You can choose to post a regular photo or video, or even multiple images in one post by using the carousel feature. After selecting your content, you can edit it with filters, adjust brightness, saturation, and more. Don't forget to add a caption, hashtags, and location tags. You can also include music if you like. Once you're happy with your post, tap share to publish it. Instagram also features Reels, which are short-form vertical videos similar to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You can view Reels from your feed or head to the Reels tab for a dedicated feed of just Reels. To create a Reel, tap the plus sign and select Reel from the menu. Here you can edit your Reel, and you can also add music. When you have your Reel well prepared, add a caption and upload it. Instagram's messaging system allows you to stay connected with friends. Access your messages by tapping the icon in the top right corner of the home screen. You can send text messages and have audio or video calls. To stay updated on your activity, tap the heart icon in the top right corner. Here you'll see who liked or commented on your posts, who tagged you, and who followed you. To view and manage your own content, tap your profile icon in the bottom menu. This is where you'll see all your posts, reels, and tag posts. If you want to review your past activity, tap the menu icon on your profile and select your activity. This section lets you manage everything you've done on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support keeps us going.